frankly, I'm really excited about the Avenues being here in Baton Rouge because it's going to be great to do collaborative work with you guys.
It's going to set this region on fire down here.
It feels like home because I have not been in a facility like this in well over 2 to 3 years since I took this role within the governor's office. And just to come here and to see that individuals are still doing their work to make sure that our constituents are able to get on the road to recovery, stay in recovery, and then help other individuals out with peer support, it just warms my heart.
The staff here is next to none. It's really so incredible to see how excited people are when people walk in the door. Everyone's greeted right away. Everyone's so friendly. Everyone's so nice. There's so many people out there that are suffering right now with addiction. And now they have a place to call home, a place where they could go get the help that they need.
Avenues is my home. I've seen the great work that we do clinically and, medically for the clients, and they go back out whole into their community.
I was killing myself with alcohol, and Avenues saved my life, and it provided me with a safe community which I could begin my journey on recovery, and a community that I still have today that we hang out and we go to meetings together, and it's still a very vibrant community that's just sober now.
3, 2, 1.
Right now, 10% of all Louisianians are dealing with addiction. And the more facilities we have, the more people we can treat, and the better our state can become, the healthier our state can become. And it won't be seen as such a stigma, to go to a treatment center. It's really finding your way home. That's what Avenues is.
Welcome Avenues Recovery to Baton Rouge, Louisiana.